Good morning, students. Welcome to Surya Vidya Niketan, Gedalur. This video for class 7 students. Dear students, previously we discussed about that nutrition in plants. Today we will discuss about that respiration in organisms. A respiration process occurs in all organisms. What is respiration? What is its importance? Okay, today we will discuss about that the types of respiration. Okay, here respiration process is in all organisms. It occurs in all organisms. The breaking down of foods such as glucose with the use of oxygen and release energy is called respiration. All living organisms. Okay, we know that living organisms are two types. One is living organisms and the second one is non-living organisms. Okay, all living organisms are made up of small microscopic units are called cells. Okay, here when we observe that the wall is constructed by the small units such as bricks. So here also the living organisms are made up of small units are called cell. A cell is a structural and functional unit of organism. Okay, the organism in the organisms, that is the structural and functional unit is a cell. Each cell of an organism performs certain functions such as nutrition, excretion, and reproduction, etc. To perform these functions, the cells need energy. So where does we get that energy? The energy we get from the foods. So immediately if we take the food is digested. Immediately can we get that energy? No. The, these digested food is react with oxygen. They are combined with oxygen. Okay, here the food is break down with the use of oxygen. Then only we get that energy. So here respiration is a energy giving process, energy releasing process. The food has stored energy. Okay, the food that we eat, it has that stored energy which is released during the respiration. When we take that food, the food is digested in the small intestine and which is transported to the all parts of the body. Okay, all parts of the body in each part of the cell. So inside the cell the food is react with oxygen. All organisms respire to get energy from food. Okay, here the process by which air goes in and out of our body is called breathing. So here we are taking air into our body and we are giving out of the air from our body is called breathing. Breathing is a part of respiration. Okay, here oxygen in the air. We know that air is the mixture of many gases. Okay, the composition of air is the mainly 78 percentage of nitrogen, 21 percentage of oxygen, 0.03 percentage is carbon dioxide. Some other gases also present in the air. Okay, oxygen in the air helps in the breaking down of foods. If we are taking that air, the air contains oxygen. This oxygen react with that foods. Okay, the process of breaking down of foods in the cells with the release of energy is called cellular respiration. The respiration process which occurs inside the cell. So that's why it is called cellular respiration. Cellular respiration takes place in the cells of all organisms. Okay, the organisms are made up of number of cells, trillions of cells. So here the organisms are two types is there. One is unicellular and second one is multicellular. Okay, here multicellular organisms, they have that millions of cells. Each cell can perform the respiration. So the respiration process which occurs inside the cell, that's why it is called cellular respiration. So here, dear students, respiration. What is respiration? Respiration means the breaking down of foods. The food is break down with the use of oxygen. In the presence of oxygen, okay, the food is break down and release the energy. This process is called respiration. Okay, here respiration, how many types is there? There are the two types of respiration is there. One is aerobic respiration and the second one is anaerobic respiration. How many types is there? Two types. What are they? They are the aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. What is aerobic respiration? When the breaking down of glucose means foods. When the breaking down of foods, that is glucose, occurs with the use of oxygen, it is called aerobic respiration. Okay, the food can also break down without using of oxygen. With the use of oxygen, that is called aerobic respiration. The food can also break down without use of oxygen. This is called anaerobic respiration. The absence of oxygen. So, in the presence of oxygen, in the absence of oxygen, the food can be break down. So, whatever it may be, aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Okay, the energy will be produced. In aerobic respiration, more energy will be produced. 686 kilocalories. In anaerobic respiration, 56 kilocalories energy will be released. Okay, the food can also be break down without using oxygen. This is called anaerobic respiration. The breaking down of foods release energy. Some organisms such as yeast that can survive in the absence of air. These are called anaerobes. Okay, they can respire. They can without taking off, without use of oxygen, without use of oxygen they can survive. That is called anaerobes. Okay, here students, breathing. What is breathing? Breathing means the taking of air rich in oxygen and giving out of air rich in carbon dioxide. That okay, here taking air rich in oxygen and giving out of carbon dioxide with the help of respiratory organs is called breathing. The breathing, in the breathing process there are the two steps is there. One is inspiration and expiration. They are also called as inhalation and exhalation. Breathing is a part of respiration. In breathing process, taking air into the body is called inspiration. This is also called as inhalation. The process of giving out of air rich in carbon dioxide known as expiration. The number of times a person can breathe in a minute termed as the breathing rate. A person can breathe in a 1 minute. How many times he can breathe? That is called breathing rate. During breathing, inhalation and exhalation takes place alternately. One inhalation and one exhalation, that is breathing. So how many times he can breathe in a minute? That is called breathing rate. An average adult human being at rest, he breathes in and out 15 to 18 times per minute. An adult human being can breathes 15 to 18 times per minute. During heavy exercise, the breathing rate can increases up to 25 times per minute. The breathing rate may be increases during heavier exercise, long walking, during some works. So he may have the person may increases up to his breathing rate up to 25 times per minute. Thank you student. Thank you one and all.